Hey guys, today we got a 100R by Leer. Fits the 14 to 18 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Black in color. It's a pretty decent unit. It has some small issues with it, but it's really not too bad. Top looks good. Top edge, just it's water on the top there. I just washed it a few minutes ago, but top looks good. Top edge, no major damage there. A couple of little like stress cracks right there. You can kind of see those. Corner was chipped there. We touched it up on the corner, but you can kind of see that the chip is still there. A little bit of a scuff mark there. A little bit of a scuff mark on the bottom edge there. It was set on the ground, looks like. Make sure it's... yeah, that's set on the ground. This had a wrap on it, so some of the stuff is wrap. They've got most of it off. Chip right there. Looks good there. You can see there the gold is part of the wrap. Majority of they've got it off there, but there's a couple spots here and there. You'll see it stuck on there. Half side sliders on the side. Picture window front. A little bit of a scuff mark right there. Top edge looks nice. Front edge, I mean. A little bit of a wear mark, probably bumped against the back of the cab. Right there. Bottom edge on the front there looks good. That's just the cap tape sticking through the old foam tape that they put on there. Front corner on here is chipped. It's also been touched up. Not as bad as the other side was. A little bit of a paint scratch right there. But other than the top edge on this side looked good as well. A couple small scratches right there. There we go. And a little chip back there. Paint on this side looks pretty good. A bit of a scuff mark down here on the corner. Now we've got some chips along the edge from being set on the ground. People take these things off. They want to use a truck for the weekend, so they set them on the ground and chip them up. There's a couple chips right there. That's a big, yeah, it's not a big one, but I mean, it's a pretty fairly long area. Probably was slid while it was on the ground. You had a couple spots right there. Looks like a couple of these were touched up. Yeah, these were touched up down there. Half side slider on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Does have some holes in the screens right here. There's a little bit of an area right there. A little bit of a small tear right there, and then we got a little bigger hole down there. Bottom of the screen looks pretty good. Top edge has snags here and there. Got one there. A couple snags right there. Really, that's about it on that side. Same thing on this side. They probably worked out. I'm guessing they worked out of this. Got some snags in the screen there. A couple holes in the screen right there. Bottom of the screen looks pretty good. So you get to right about there. You got a couple holes in it. Serial number 100R 66GS14, so 6.5 foot GM trucks, 14 to 18, GBA black. So there it is, cab high Leer 100R series. Fits a 2014 to 2018 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Also the 15 and 19 on the 2500, 3500s. 6.5 foot beds. Black in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website. You can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements, pick it up online. That can all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased through our website as well. Also, if you're looking for something specific for your truck and you're looking to you're looking to see something come in, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in. So you want to subscribe below to keep up to date on the inventory that's coming in. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick one of these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.